Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger grow a garden prismatic, only ways. Begin by selecting containers or raised beds that are at least 12 inches deep and wide enough for root spread. Fill them with a balanced potting mix and 30% compost to boost fertility. Plant seedlings in clusters that support each other and water deeply twice a week, adjusting for heat and rainfall. In this segment, I will explain soil preparation and planting patterns to maximize color and yield in a prismatic layout. Start with a grid plan and place taller, bolder foliage at the back and center, with low ground cover at the edges. Use color contrast to create a prismatic effect and rotate crops annually to preserve soil health and reduce pests for a consistent harvest. In this part, I will help you maintain your garden with simple routines that keep plants vibrant and productive. Monitor moisture with a finger test and avoid overwatering, and prune selectively to shape the prismatic display. Check for insects early and use gentle controls like hand removal or soapy water spray, and plan harvesting times to extend freshness and flavor for family meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.